Warning! Itong short video na to ay para sa mga taong willing matutunan ang tamang paraan para kumita ng pera gamit ang internet. At hindi ito pwede sa mga taong nagdududa o sa mga taong nagdadalawa ang isip. My name is Calvin Rosales. I'm an online entrepreneur and one of the founding member of One Network E-Commerce. Gusto kong i-share sa iyo ang exact money-making system na nakatulong sa akin para kumita ng 6 digits income in less than a month nang hindi ako nagre-recruit ng mga tao para ibenta ang mga products ko at kahit hindi ko sila pinipilit na bumili ng mga products na binibenta ko. At pwede mo din ma-experience ito nang hindi ka nakikwit sa existing business mo at kahit nag-uumpisa ka pa lang at wala pang experience sa business na to. Again, I'll show you the exact same system kung paano kami kumikita ng 5 to 6 digits income every month kahit hindi kami expert sa internet marketing. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna i-share sa iyo ang 3 important money-making system in our modern generation. First is social media marketing. Social media is a tool to help you para makapag-generate ng thousands of customers. Simple lang, if you don't have a prospect, you cannot make any sales. Facebook is the best tool to generate customers dahil sa dami ng users nito. Number 2 is e-commerce. E-commerce is a system para gumaan ang trabaho mo sa pagbebenta using your own online store na mayroong built-in payment facilities, fulfillment, and logistics. Through your own online store, you can convert your followers or website viewers into buyers and customers into resellers. And number 3, networking system. Networking is a system to duplicate yourself through other people at para makapag-create ka ng residual income from the sales of others. Networking can give you financial freedom and time freedom in a short period of time. Good news, we built a platform kung saan magtuturo sa iyo kung paano makapag-generate ng thousands of leads using social media, connect to other people, earn high rewards from their sales at para mapagaan ang trabaho mo dahil sa automated e-commerce online store. You will have this combined platform in One Network E-Commerce, the all-in-one automated system. Dahil pinagsama-sama namin ang money-making system na to, mas madali na ako nakakakuha ng customers. Now, I already have 700 plus active business partners na tumutulong sa business ko. I also have thousands of resellers and still growing. At lahat yan ay dahil sa social media marketing, e-commerce, and network marketing, all-in-one money-making system. Again, I'll show you the exact same system kung paano kami kumikita ng 5 to 6 digits income every month kahit hindi kami experts sa internet marketing. Bakit ba maraming naging successful sa system na to? Itong system na to ay 100% sure kayang-kaya mong gawin kahit wala kang special skills o masyadong experience. Meron na kaming nakahandang online marketing tools para hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng mga strategies kung paano ka makakakuha ng mga customers sa pinopromote mong products. Kaya mo itong gawin anytime and anywhere or kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Kahit anong products pa at company ang pinopromote mo, pwede mo itong gamitin upang makatulong sa iyo para hindi mo na maranasan mag-fail sa existing business mo. Itong system na to ay makakatulong sa iyo para maabot mo ang mga pangarap mo dahil ang system na to ay 100% sure, proven, and effective. And if you do this, your life will never be the same. Bago ko ipakita ang system, i-reveal ko muna sa iyo ngayon ang 5 important piece why our system is a perfect money-making platform for everyone. First is place. If you join right now, you will become part of a company with a state-of-the-art system that can help you to grow your business online. Second is products. Here, no product saturation. Because in our system, you can sell a product as many as you can, no limit. Third is price. Unlimited product to sell with very competitive prices. Ibig sabihin, swak sa budget mo. Fourth is promotion. If you join right now, you will learn the simple and effective way how to market your business online and how to create a lot of site visitors and turn them into buyers. Congratulations, you were in the right place with the right time with the right people. Because if you join right now, you have an expert business partners in e-commerce, sales, and MLM. Now, I would like to introduce to you One Network E-commerce. One is an online e-commerce company dedicated to developing global entrepreneurs through its e-commerce and reward platform. Why buyers prefer shopping online? For me, because it's time-saving, easy to compare prices, more variety, less prices, less taxes, no crowd, spend less on gas, and others. Yan ang mga reason kaya masarap magbenta online. Pero, kailangan may sarili kang online store. Saan ba nakakabili ng online store? Sa Shopify.com, kailangan mong gumastos ng $79 every month or $948 every year or more than 40,000 pesos every year. Sa website express.ph, kailangan mong gumastos ng 17,988 pesos every year. But for me, it's very expensive. Here, in One Network E-commerce, for only 3,888 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong business website na katulad nito. Pwede mong i-upload yung profile picture mo, company logo, at magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website URL. And magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong online superstore na katulad din ito. Okay, let's talk about our income opportunity. Kung paano ba kumikita talaga sa online superstore na to. Income opportunity number 1, you can sell your own product in your own online store. Just log in our b1world.net, enter your username and password, at pwede mo lang i-upload lahat ng product na gusto mong ibenta sa online superstore mo. Again, you can sell product as many as you can. Once na na-upload ang products, automatic lalabas na siya sa online superstore mo. Next is income opportunity number 2. Wala kang products na binibenta? Don't worry. We have 3,000 plus built-in products na pwede mo lang ibenta. You can choose from thousands of products and services from one to sell. Income opportunity number 3, you can sell your own products from other online store. Meaning, pwedeng ibenta ng ibang online store yung products na in-upload mo at pwede mo rin ibenta yung products na binibenta nila. At once na nag-grab mo na yung product, automatic lalabas na yung products na ginrab mo doon sa online store mo. And one of the most exciting thing here in our platform is you can have your own payment and bayad and remittance center. And also loading center, all in one in our business platform. And lastly, you can earn from leveraging reward system. The more connections you build, the more you can build your sales income. But wait, there's more. Bibigyan ka pa ng V-Money Mastercard. Ito yung gagamitin mo para mag-shop online, pambayad ng bills, limit ng pera, at para sa loading business mo. Ang lahat ng commission mo, diyan papasok sa V-Money Mastercard mo. At ang good news dito, it's for free. On the next slide, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga ready-to-sell branded products na pwede mong ibenta sa online store mo. Alright, first is Axis, Timex, Giordano, Ray-Ban, Acer, Lenovo, Xiaomi, Apple, and many more. The system is this: we provide online store, you sell the products, we ship the orders, and you earn. Uulitin ko sa iyo, itong system na to ay 100% sure kayang-kaya mong gawin kahit wala kang special skills o masyadong experience. Meron na kami nakahandang online marketing tools para hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng mga strategies kung paano ka makakakuha ng mga customers na pinopromote ng products. Kaya mo itong gawin anytime and anywhere or kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Kahit anong products at company ang pinopromote mo, pwede mo itong gamitin upang makatulong sa iyo para hindi mo na maranasan mag-fail sa existing business mo. Itong system na to ay makakatulong sa iyo para maabot mo ang mga pangarap mo. Dahil ang system na to ay 100% sure, proven, and effective. And if you do this, your life will never be the same. Register now, and after you register, we'll send you the following. First is the detailed PowerPoint presentation on how to manage your own website and online store, the free access to our social media marketing training, free access to our financial literacy and entrepreneurship training, free access for live trainings, how to market and customize your own website and online store, and lastly, the detailed PowerPoint presentation and training how to earn with one through our MLM system. lahat ng isi-send ko sa iyo ay ang exact same system kung paano kami kumikita ng 5 to 6 digits income every month kahit hindi kami expert sa internet marketing. All you have to do is to click the register tab in my website to start your life-changing online business today. Again, this is a global business opportunity like no other in the world. It's One Network e-commerce.